3 pieces.
Just 3.
Yes.
Oh, no, surely they have to fit there.
No, don't they Okay. Don't panic. Don't panicking.
Just 2 left.
Who's the impossible? Yeah, I know, but they don't fit there.
Then there's a wrong piece somewhere. Or there's a missing piece.
I don't
They can't
think
be
there's
both missing pieces and extra pieces.
There's 3, so...
Yeah, but they can't be both missing and extra.
Why are we
But
so invested in
some
puzzles?
pieces fit in, but they're not the right ones. That's the only problem.
Try that one there then.
This one.
Oh, I mean, it's got this weird, like, sharp angle there.
No. So one of these must be wrong. No. This one's probably right because of just this weird shape.
No. Is it not underneath the jigsaw? Hang on, we turn it up the other way.
Mission failed.
Sometimes it's just, you have to just need to put.
Mission failed. We'll come back next time.